Number 4. To number 8. Shot. Rebound number 88. Pass to number 80. Dribbles. Number 10. Open for 3. No good. Rebound number 8. Forward pass to number 13. Number 13. Fix. Shot. Short. Rebound number 88. Pass to number 80. Number 1. Number 8 gets the ball shot. No good. Rebound again number 18. 10-second shot clock. From way down, short rebound. Out of bounds. Number 4.
10 to shoot.
For 3, short. Rebound number 10. Open. Fakes. Back to number 10. 12-second shot clock. Number 1, shot. Rebound number 4. Forward pass to number 13. Number 13 on the long. 2 points. First 2 points of the game. Number 13. Number 10. Side step, lays out, short, rebound number 12. To number 10. 10-second shot clock. Number 12 for 3. Airball rebound number 4. The foul is number 4. Number 4 all the way. Misses. Rebound number 10. Number 10, side step. Binobaga, 2 points. Number 10. Score 1-2. Number 4, counter basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul on number 1. First personal foul. Bonus rule number 4. Rebound number 88. Pass to number 18. Number 18.
15 to shoot.
14-second shot clock. Screen by number 1. 8-second shot clock. Number 18. Foul number 22. First personal foul, second team foul, net team. Number 10, back to number 18, number 18 for 3. Short, rebound number 4. Number 4. Basket counts. Foul number 18. First personal foul, second team foul. Bonus rule number 4.
Time out lang ano. Tapos sa court, wala. Last 2 minutes.
3-point play completed by number 4. Score 7-2. 5-point lead, Mint Green. Number 12. Number 1. Looking for these limits. Pass to number 10. Fakes. Number 10 grabs. Foul number 8. Number 8. That's your second personal foul. Third team foul. Net green. 2 shots. Number 10.
Sab.
First team, no good. Acknowledge timeout. Acknowledge timeout.
Basket timeout.
Number 5. Number 4 takes the ball. Number 4. Number 4. Scoop shot. There's a foul. Foul number 18. Timeout. Men Green. Back to the building. Two shots for number 4. First two miss. Second row, get ready for rebound. Over again. Number 18, the point or the black team, pass to number 10.
To 37.
Back to number 18 drives, still drop shot, misses it. Rebound number 18, put back, no good again. Number 18 gets the ball, shoots for 3, air ball. Last touch, black team.
3 minutes maganda na.
Time left 3 minutes and 15 seconds in the first quarter. Number 13, pass number 22, shot. Malakas ang tira, rebound number 18. Pass to number 10. To number 18, nice pass at the middle, number 12. No good. Number 1, put back, no good again. Number 13 needs the rebound. Pass to number 4. Ito na si number 4. 2 points. Grabe. Number 10. Pass to number 10. 12. Back to number 10. Number 10 lays up. 2 points by number 10. Score. Traveling violation number 4. Score 9-4. 5-point lead, Mill Green. Number 10. Number 10. Kicking violation.
Sa second. Oh? Go.
Number 12. Pass to number 13, Eric. To number 8, to number 4, 4-3. Tabingin ang tira, rebound number 12. Pass to number 10. Number 10 drives, number 10 lays up. What a beautiful shot by number 10. Turnover.
Last 1 minute.
1 minute in the first quarter. Rodriguez, number 8, 4-3. Short number 1, put back. 2 points. Score 9-8.
45 seconds.
45 seconds.
20.
Number 4, Lippers at press. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 5. To number 4.
10 to shoot.
And second shot clock. Number 8. Number 8 drives. Number 8. Foul committed by number 1. That's your second. Warning for penalty. 2 shots. 5 seconds. One point for number 8. Score 10 against 8. in favor of net green.
Let's go!
Second quarter,
Wala nang mint green.
net green ball.
Hindi niya rin.
Number 5, pass to Ray. Number 26, Tuya. Rebound, Eric. Number 20, nice pass. Number 5, 2 points. 12-8. Number 69. To number 14. To number 9, number 9 fakes. Pass to number 16, Liberty. Wala. Rebound number 16 again. Turn number out of bounds.
Outside ng Bisaya. Malakas yung last kill. Outside ng Bisaya.
Eric. Pass to number 22, to number 26, number 26 sa gitna. Nothing but net. Lamang ng ani ang memory. Number 69, top fake. Number 69, D-drop. Rebound number 8. Number 8, forward pass. Sakto. Number 22 to Eric. Eric, side step. Pick out pass number 22. Short. There's a foul. Foul on number 8. Number 8, that's short third. First team foul on Mendy.
Warning number 8.
Number 8, warning for continuous complaining.
Sigaw na, sigaw eh. Abot pa sila sa again.
Number 69, Marcel. To number 9, to number 16. Number 16 lays up. Number 16 again. 2 points. Score 14-10. Number 8, steal by number 9. Holding foul number 5. That's your first. Second team foul, Mendy. Number 69. To number 9, to number 16. Guarded by Eric. Nice steal by number 26. Number 26 waiting for his 2 minutes. Pass to Eric. Eric. Dribbling. To number 26 waiting. 10 second shot clock. Dalawang pira, wala.
5.
5. Shot ball. Back ball. Number 9, forward pass. Nice steal by number 26. Number 30,
15 to shoot.
15 second shot clock.
10.
10. 5, 4, 3. Nice pass underneath. Basket counts. Foul number 16. First personal foul, first team foul, bonus to number 26. Short. Rebound number 16. 16. Number 9, nice pass. Number 16, fakes. Fakes again, shot. Malakas ang tira. Rebound number 32. Almost a steal. Recover by Eric. Forward pass. Got to Eric. Eric, nice pass to number 26. What a shot by number 26. Score rating 10. Acknowledge timeout. 4 to shoot.
Sabay!
Eric gets the rebound. Easy now, easy. Yeah, in and out, 3-1, Eric. Pass to number 5. Open shot. In and out. Rebound number 13, pass to number 9. Number 9, stop, stop. Timeout. Red Green. Score rating 12. 6-1 lead, Red Green.
Hindi ko sa gano'n kung nangyari yun sa ano, kung sa Alparda, Crucial. Oo. Hindi kasi siguro may ano dyan eh. Kailangan division.
Back to the ball game. Let's go, let's go.
18-12.
Eric dribbling ball. Eric continues to dribble. 14-second shot clock.
10.
10-second shot clock. Number 26, air ball. Nice rebound, follow up. Fake. There's the foul again on number 16. That's your second team foul block. 2 shots, number 8. First 2, no good. Second 2, ready for a rebound. No good again, rebound number 16. Number 16. Looking for his teammates, number 16, de derecho. Voila. Eric.
15 to shoot.
15-second shot clock.
10.
Number 22, 10. Number 5. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 16. Number 10. Wala pa rin. Wala. Number 16, put back. 3 points. 18-14. 14-second shot clock.
10.
10-second shot clock. Nice follow-up shot by number 8. Number 9, I say. Number 10. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 8. Nice steal by number 69. Behind the back. To number 9, nice fake. Number 9, side straight, nice up. Short. Rebound by number 9. To number 16. Number 16. Foul on number 5. That's your third team foul, Red Green. 2 shots, number 16. One minute and 35 seconds. 1 point. 1 minute and 20 seconds in the second quarter.
15 to shoot.
14 second shot clock. Eric, nice pass. Number 26. Foul number 69. Warning for penalty. No, sorry, third team foul. 1 point. Second. 2 out of 2. Seconds.
Ay, double!
Offensive foul number 14. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Score 24 against 15 in favor of Metby.
Uy, go!
Back to the ball third quarter. Number 10, pass to number 1. Open shot. Misses. Foul out number 1. There's a whistle foul on number 4. First personal foul, first team foul, Metby. 2 shots, number 1. First two, 1 point. Second two, short. Number 4, 4-3, bang! Number 4, 3 points. Score 27-16. Turnover. Metby ball.
Take your time, boy. Take your time.
Number 22 to Eric. Pass the ball. Screen by Eric. Go. Umagas sa tres. Malakas ang tira. Same ball. 5-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Offensive foul number 4. That's your second team foul, Metby. Number 16, number 4. Number 16. Running violation. Eric. Number 26, thinking of 3 drives, reverse layup, rebound by Eric, 5-second shot clock. Shot clock violation.
Hindi na shoot, hindi tumama.
Number 9. Number 16. 13 second shot clock. Number 9 fakes. Number 18. Taking out 3. Number 18 points. Number 18 again. 2 points. Score 27-18. 9.8 Mentry. Eric, pass number 26, ang ganda. 2 points, number 26. What a pass by Eric. Number 10. Sa gitna. Lumas ang tira. Foul before the shot. Foul number 5. Third personal foul, third team foul, Mentry. Number 16, 10-second shot clock. Number 1 in the middle, 2 points. Eric. Pass number 26, walang bantay. Short, rebound number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Nice pass to number 16 in the middle, 2 points. Number 16. Score 29-22. Substitution. Time out. Mentry.
Kasi tulad yan, nag-ano sila o. Pag nag-shot class yan, wala pa. Sabihin mo, kasi nagkatanong lagi. Pati itong oras.
Back to the ball game. Number 18 dribbles. Number one, misses. Rebound around, save. Number 2 gets the ball. Nice pass to Eric. Wala. Number 9. In and out dribble. Pass to number 16. Turn around. Fakes. Foul number 26. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Mentry. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 10. 2 points. Number 1. There's a foul committed by number 16. Number 16, that's your turn. 10-second shot clock.
5.
5. Number 18. Number 16, no good. Last touch, number 1.
To shoot.
15-second shot clock. Number 26 fakes. Number 1 gets the ball, pass to number 9. Number 9. No good. number 1, put back, 2 points. Substitution.
Injury po.
Dali.
Yeah. 15 second shot clock. Number 8, Sadim Bang. No good. Foul rebound by number 1, pass to number 16. Nice steal by number 22. Number 5. Number 8. 15 second shot clock. Number 8 for 3. Bang! Number 8, 3 points. To 26. 10 second shot clock. Number 18 shot. No good. Rebound number 1. Number 1. No good again. Eric gets the rebound pass number 4. There's some foul.
Time out.
Foul number 9. Time out. Black team. Final 44 seconds in the third.
Ganda ni Tara.
Teknolohi yan. Teknolohi.
Oh, teknologi yan.
Yannick. 10 second shot clock. Number 8, jump shot. Rebound number 1. 30 seconds. Seconds. 15 seconds. Number 18 open for 3 short. Steal number 16. Number 16. 5 seconds. Foul number 4. That's your third. Penalty. 2 shots. First two, 1 point. Two out of 2. Score 32-28. 4-point lead, Mercury.
Babalik yan doon sila.
Third and final quarter.
Wala na, hindi na sumunod. I-ano mo yung bola.
Eric pass number 8 for 3. Short. Last touch number 12. Number 4. Eric. No good. Black ball.
First position yun, pa rin yung first position sa inyo.
Number 69. 15-second shot clock. Short. Number 1, nabitawan. Number 14, Steve Van Break. Sakto ang basa. Kuha number 22. Hindi nakarecover si number 22. Number 9. Number 9. Hesse, number 9. Offensive foul. Number 14, illegal pick. Number 14, that's your second first team foul, black team. Yannick. Pass to Cole. Cole flies. Holding foul number 69. Second personal foul, second team foul, black team. Yannick. Pass to number 22. To number 26. Nothing but net. 34-28, 6-point lead, men green. Number 9 crossover, number 9 libre. Wala. Number 14, nice block by Nick. Same ball.
5 seconds shot clock.
5 seconds shot clock, 5 seconds. Shot clock violation.
Sab, sab, sab!
Sige, sir. Mapasa na po.
Dead ball.
Yannick.
Pagmasok, di punta kayo dito.
To go.
15.
Isha! Shalala! 3 points! (37-28). 69 short. Rebound number 26 pass to Cole. There's the foul number 9. Foul black team.
Back to the ball game. Ha?
Number 8, pass to Cole. Biglang tuloy ang Andres. Wala. Last touch number 22. Number 9, hands up. There's the foul number 13, Eric. First personal foul, first team foul. Mendy, 2 shots, number 9. First team, no. Second through. One point. Score 37-29. 5 minutes and 45 seconds time remaining. Still by number 9 away. Wala. Rebound by Cole. Cole, rebound ulit. Cole, diretso. 2 points. Nice pass, fakes. May kasama kang foul number 8. Number 8, that's your fourth personal. Bonus to number 16. Substitution. Rebound number 4. Foul committed by number 16. Number 16. That's also your fourth personal. Warning for penalty block team. First two, pasok. Second two. Acknowledge foul. 5 seconds violation. Substitution.
Sub.
Out number 69. Number 14, Bumanga. Save ball.
Defense, brothers! Defense, come on!
Number 16, pass number 1. Steal by Eric. Eric, 3-on-1, fast break. Nice pass on ball. Nice pass to number 22. Go, put back. Foul on number 10. Penalty. Point. Second throw. In and out. Maran dribbles. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 10. Scoops layup. Voila. Rebound number 16. Number 16 shot. Malakas ang tira. Rebound Eric. Forward pass the coach. Binit, 2 points.
In your face!
Score 43-31. Number one. Very good rebound. Number 22 pass the ball. Again. Ito na si coach. There's a foul number 9. Penalty. First through no good. Second through. 1 point.
Defense!
1 minute and 55 seconds. Number 18 for 3. Short. Rebound Eric. Cole gets the ball behind the back. Crossover. Guarded by number 18. 14 second shot clock. Last touch by Cole. Substitution.
Go.
Out number 16. In number 88. Out number 14. In number 11. Number 10, 4-3. Out of bounds. One minute and 15 seconds. 10-second shot clock. 5. Rebound number 1 minute. Pull up for 3. Rebound number 11. Number 4 gets the rebound, pass to Eric. 40 seconds. 14-second shot clock. 10. Rattling violation. 26 seconds time left. Two points, number 18. Number 4, 2 points. 5 seconds. Final score 35-36.